Hello and welcome back to the video everyone. So in this video I'm going to explore about the sum function and the average function which is present in SSMS. Okay, so before exploring the concepts, let's see the table. So this is my table that I have basically created a sample database which contains the information about employee ID, employee name and the salary. Okay, so I'm going to calculate the entire payroll of the organization by adding the sum function, okay, by applying the sum function on the salary tab. Okay, so this is one of the thing that I'm going to do. So just make sure before applying the sum function that the column that you are basically using is under the integer one. Okay, so if that is not integer, if the data type of this column is not integer, that will give you an error, because if it will be any string operations, you won't be able to calculate anything, right? Just let me show you that. So if that is under n varchar max, so you won't be able to basically generate that or do the queries. Okay, so yeah, just make sure that it is in integer characters. Now let's perform the sum operations. So sum operations we are going to do on our column which is present as salary, right? So we are going to calculate the entire payroll of the organization, which is coming up to 28,000. Okay, and similarly if you just want to put the average of it, so you can just put the average salary from the table name. Okay, so by mentioning this you will get the name of the the average of the salary payroll that the organization is getting. Okay, so these two are the basic operations that you can see, which is about for calculating the salaries and average sum of it. Apart from that, if you want to get the minimum and maximum, right, the minimum operations can also be performed, the maximum operations can also be performed in this. Then you can perform the count operations, then you can perform or any other arithmetic operations. So these are basically the arithmetic operations that you are required to perform on the calculations you need to do. Okay, so these things are present in SSMS arithmetic operations. Apart from these, the basic SQLs are already been covered in the previous videos. I will provide the entire list of queries for all the functions in the description. You can get that from the GitHub link. I will put the link of the repository over there. Thank you and see you in the next video.